Today, closing arguments expected to wrap up in the fraud trial against Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes. She has been charged with 9 counts of fraud and 2 counts of conspiracy. KTVU's Sernoffsky is at the courthouse and has this report.
Spectators lined up before dawn Thursday as prosecutors and defense attorneys began summarizing their cases in the trial against Elizabeth Holmes. The prosecution went first, piece by piece making its case to the jury that Holmes conned patients and investors in her failed blood testing company Theranos.
It's her credibility versus the 29 witnesses the government called, and it's up to the jury to decide.
Prosecutor Jeff Shank summed up the last 3 months of evidence with one recurring theme. Quote, Ms. Holmes made the decision to defraud investors and then patients. She chose fraud over business failure. She chose to be dishonest. That choice was not only callous, it was criminal. Shank pointed over and over to some of the 900 exhibits in the case, including recordings of Holmes herself.
Just listening to Elizabeth Holmes make those claims, in her own words, can be very damaging.
Legal analyst and former prosecutor Michelle Hagan said the evidence is unequivocal.
This is not a case where it's like a he said, they said. It's a case of we have documents. We have the website. We have the PowerPoint presentations that she made. We have the Parloff article.
Up next was defense attorney Kevin Downey. He went straight at the prosecution's case, saying the government was looking at Theranos through a dirty lens. Quote, Elizabeth Holmes was building a business and not a criminal enterprise. Downey urged the jury to look at both sides of the story. He argued that Holmes acted in good faith while CEO of Theranos and never intended to defraud anyone. He said Holmes rigorously pursued FDA approval and received feedback from company insiders and outsiders alike, telling her Theranos' technology worked. The defense will continue its closing before the prosecution has one last chance for rebuttal. Then the case goes to the jury to decide. At the federal courthouse in San Jose, Sernoffsky, KTVU, Fox 2 News.